Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home and enjoying the lockdown period and don't go out of your house. So, here I am with another chapter in our English textbook, which is a poem, and the title of the poem is The Silent Snake. First, I will tell you the central idea of the poem, then I will explain the difficult words to you, and at last I will recite the poem to you several times. But students, before that, learn the poem by your heart and try to recite the poem by yourself at your home, and also do not forget to write it in your English classwork notebook with the exercise. So, let's start the central idea. It's a poem which explains how all the animals, which are bird, squirrel, frog, mayfly and rabbits, are having fun playing and jumping in the bushes around, while the creepy snake is quite calm without making any kind of sound. It is a description, or it describes a snake behavior in comparison with other animals. The poet says that the bird fly in the sky, the rabbit run and skip, the squirrel scramble up and down to the branches of the tree, the mayfly flies up and down. All the living creatures like bird, rabbit, squirrel, mayflies and frogs are having fun in the bushes by playing and jumping, and they all are making sound, but the snake, who is quiet, who is not making sound, is stay calm and wait to kill and feed on those animals. The poet also explained as to how dangerous silence is at time, because the silence which is made by the snake is very dangerous for the living creatures who are playing in the bushes, because the snake is waiting to kill them and feed on those animals to himself. Before starting the poem, let's go through the hard words with meaning. By this, it will be easy for you to understand the poem. First, I will read the word and then use that word for making a sentence. So it will be more clear to you that what is the exact meaning of that word. So let's start. In this page, the first word is escape. The meaning of escape is to hop or to jump. The rabbit run and escape. The rabbit run and hop, or the rabbit run and jump. The second word is fluttering. The meaning of word fluttering is to flap your wings or to fly unsteadily. The birds flap wings in the air. The third word is bough. The meaning of the word bough is branches of the trees. We can make a sentence from the word bough. A squirrel race along the branches of a tree. A squirrel race along the bough. The fourth one is mayfly. The meaning of the word mayfly is winged insects that live close to water. The insects that live close to water. The fifth one is rise. The meaning of rise is to come up. She started to rise from her chair. The girl started to rise from her chair. Sixth one is dip. The meaning of dip is to go down. Dip your finger in water. Dip yourself into the water. The seventh one is leap. The meaning of leap is to jump. The horses leaped the stone wall. The eighth one is creepy creep. The meaning of the word creepy creep is to crawl or to move slowly. The silent snake goes creepy creep, or the silent snake crawl, or the silent snake moves slowly. The ninth one is whistle. The meaning of the word whistle is to make shrill sound. He whistled a happy tune. The girl whistled a happy tune. The birds whistle loud. The 10th one is hum. Hum is basically the sound that insects make. The meaning of hum is to buzz. The insects hum. The insects buzz. The 11th one is dump. The meaning of dump is silent. In this poem, the word dump is used for the snake. So, the meaning of the dump in this poem is silent. And the last one is grasses deep. The meaning of the grasses deep is tall and thick grasses. The grasses which are very tall and thick are known as grasses deep. So students, let's recite the poem The Silent Snake. The birds go fluttering in the air, the rabbits run and escape, brown squirrels race along the bough, the mayflies rise and dip. But while these creatures play and leap, the silent snakes go creepy creep. The birdies sing and whistle loud, the busy snakes hum, the squirrel chat, the frog says cluck, but the snake is always dumb. With not a sound through grasses deep, the silent snake goes creepy creep. Let's read it one more time. Sing with me. The birds go fluttering in this air, the rabbit run and escape, brown squirrel race along the bough, the mayflies rise and dip. But while these creatures play and leap, the silent snake goes creepy creep. The birdies sing, the whistle loud, the busy snakes hum, the squirrel chat, the frog says cluck, but the snake is always dumb. Do you remember what is the meaning of dumb? Yes, the meaning of dumb is silent. Here the word dumb is used for the snake. Let's continue it. With not a sound through grasses deep, The silent snake goes creepy, creep. Very good. Now student, see this comprehension. You have to take the correct answer. So do it as your homework. But let me tell you the meaning of it. The squirrel race along the. Can you tell me the squirrel race along the grass, bough or field? The squirrel race along the bough. The bird sings and the snakes chat, hop or hum. The bird sings and the snakes hum. And the last one, the dash says croak. The dash says croak. Can you tell me which animal says croak? It's a squirrel or a frog or a mayflies. A frog says croak. So students, read the poem with your heart and try to learn the poem. For now, let's complete our poem. Do the exercise in your copy and send me the image of it. Till then, take care and have a nice day.